Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl VidaLaVon, and I am back with another video telling you guys my experience with this 7-day turmeric mask. Yes, 7 days. So if y'all want to see my step-by-step process and my reaction behind the mask, please keep on watching. So here to the ingredients that I use. Definitely ground turmeric, the aloe vera juice. We also use the lemon juice, and I also use tea tree oil. Basically, all of those ingredients are really good for your skin, apparently. However, I do have a disclaimer with the lemon juice. I actually just saw this post on Instagram where it definitely says that we need to stop using lemon on our skin. And unfortunately, when I recorded this, I didn't see that, so let's do without the lemon juice. But I mean, it didn't do really too much to my skin. As you can also see, I just decided to add a little bit more turmeric than I did initially, due to the fact that I really wanted to thicken up the mask a little bit. You don't necessarily have to do this. It really just depends on preference. So just keep that in mind when you are creating your own homemade mask. Alrighty guys, this is day 1 of the application of this 7-day mask. I'm about to hop off the mic for a second so you guys can see the step-by-step process of how I apply it. This is the only day I will be showing it, but all of the other days thereafter, I'm just going to show you the results from each day. So yeah, enjoy. Alright guys, this is the finished first, applying on the mask. First of all, it's like low-key cold, but it does have like a little sizzling sensation. Why I kind of already put it that bright? No, let me not put it on me. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna let this until like it dries, and then I'm gonna go back on the camera and then we're gonna rinse it out. When I did this last time, it definitely stained like my face. I don't know if it stained on the first day. Y'all may not see it today, but over the next couple of days y'all probably see that it does give like a little hint of this little yellow stain to it. But I will get further into that and show y'all how I remove that stain once it comes. Okay. So I'll let this dry and listen to my music. Alrighty y'all, as I said earlier, it does leave that yellow stain that you can see right there. The process that I use, I just take a foaming cleanser and then also some olive oil, and I use the olive oil first and just kind of rub it on my skin as much as possible for at least about 30 seconds. Just make sure I get every part of the stain, and then I'll follow up with the foaming cleanser. And then just, as you can see that yellowness coming out of that foam or the cleanser, and then I just rinse it out, and then hello, voila, boom. Alright, I'm pretty sure y'all probably like, girl, shut your ass up. But I do have to say one more thing. So I think on this day, I probably can see where my flaws are revealing the most. And I'm just hairy as hell.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay, I am one of those unlucky individuals that grows like hair in the most scariest places, and one of them happens to be definitely my neck and my face. So just keep that in mind as you can see the results each day.
my skin is lightening up, but it does seem like certain areas are still kind of dark, but it's really just hair. So yeah. We've made it to day 7, and honestly, I just wanted to quickly give y'all my intake on this mask. For one, I do feel like it definitely made a difference from day 1. However, I didn't really see the difference until I waxed my face. And let me tell you, it was the shit. Okay? So I think that says it's enough. You guys have a good day.